honey bun cake for brunch or the holidays or anytime. Who are we kidding? Who would want honey buns for breakfast anyway, or lunch or dinner? I'm gonna make it out of a yellow cake mix. I'm using Betty Crocker today. You use whatever brand you want. Start out with the yellow cake mix. And we're gonna add some stuff to it. Yeah, just right there. I had my husband melting me some butter. He's home today. Okay, just leave it there. It's fine. And we're dumping that yellow cake mix into my mixer here. I can get it all out of there. Okay, because I just ripped a hole in the bag. Then we're going to go in with 2/3 cup of oil. Got that ready. We've got a cup of sour cream that I'm going to put in there. Cup of sour cream. And yes, the recipe does call for sour cream, guys, so don't freak out. It just makes it super moist, gives it that extra goodness. So there's that. We're going to do 4 eggs. 1, 2, get that one open, 3, 4, and then teaspoon of vanilla. I don't measure. I knew that there was about a teaspoon left in there. And then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Actually, I'm not going to add any cinnamon to that. Almost messed up there, guys. Could have been a fail. We're just going to actually mix this up, and while this is mixing, I'll show you the next step. Okay, got the cake mixed up. We're going to actually put 2, let me show you what I'm doing here. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon with this cup of brown sugar. There's 1, there's 2 teaspoons of cinnamon with a cup of brown sugar. Get that mixed up pretty good. That's going to be that cinnamony swirl that you got in that honey bun. And I'm going to get this mixed up really good. Okay, got that mixed up. So what we do, I've got my pan sprayed, and you're going to put a little more than half of your batter in here just because that cinnamon's a little heavy. You can do that just like that. Make sure you got enough to go on the top. And then we're just gonna put this batter in here, get it all over the bottom. I might have to put just a little bit more in there. About like that. It's gonna be kind of hard to spread that batter on top of that cinnamon sugar. We'll just have to do the best that we can. Remember, it's a honey bun, so it'll be okay. Okay. We're gonna do it just like that. And then we're going to come in and sprinkle this all over the top. It doesn't matter. You got bigger clumps in some spaces and some and not in the other. Just do it like that. Keep on going. Seems like a lot, but it'll be delicious, guys. Okay, so for this, I'm going to try to just drizzle it around like that first. Make some toppings there like that. And this is going to bake for 45 minutes in a 350-degree oven. I'm going to keep an eye on it. It could go longer in some ovens. I'm going to try to watch it. Mine cooks a little hot, I think, sometimes. I'm going to keep doing this, and I'll show you what it looks like when I spread it out. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm going to pop it in the oven, and then I'll show you how we're going to glaze this up. Okay, guys, well, that's bacon. I've got a cup of powdered sugar, tablespoon of milk, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and we're going in with about a teaspoon of vanilla. Got a little bit of cinnamon on my spoon, but I'm going to use it anyway. And I'm making the glaze for this because when this gets out, I'm going to poke holes in the top of that cake while it's still warm. And we're going to dump this glaze all over the top of it. And it's going to be our little honey bun glaze. So we'll get ready to do that. Okay, guys, I put it in for 40 minutes. The recipe said 45 to 55, and I pulled it out before the 40 minutes. So I got it just in time. But I'm gonna go ahead and poke all my holes in here with a fork, just like that. Okay guys, I'm gonna put the glaze on there and let it melt in there. I'm gonna spread it around, just like that. Keep doing that. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, we're gonna try this warm, straight out of the oven. I've never had a warm honey bun, but me and my husband, as he said, I'll give it a whirl. So we're gonna try this. It smells good. Let's see. Here he comes with his plate and fork. It smells really good. He says a little tiny piece. Is that tiny enough? Let's see what this tastes like. Got you on there. Ready?
Very good.
It's actually really, really good, guys. Just don't overbake it. It's fine this way, but actually with that texture, it's like a texture of a honey bun.
Yeah.
Guys, go like, post, share. If you haven't followed me for more content. Have a blessed day.